If your transitions still feel clunky, this is what ruins your edit. It's not effects, it's control. In this video, I show you 3 CapCut transitions that instantly make your edits feel smooth and properly put together. I'm Agnes, and I'm here to help you master CapCut the easy way. Let's jump in. This one looks advanced, but it's actually very simple once you understand what you're doing. You want to use a clip where something moves across the frame, like a tree, a wall, or anything with a straight edge. Add your clips to the timeline on top of each other. Move the playhead to the beginning, click on the second layer, go to mask, choose horizontal, rotate it to 90 degrees so it lines up with the edge of the object, a pillar in this case. Add a bit of feather just to soften the edges slightly, let's say around 1 to 3. Move the mask until it's out of the frame, then move your playhead where you want the transition to start, where the blocking object fully appears. Now watch this part, this is where it actually comes together. Add the mask keyframe, so we mark all the position, rotation and the feather at once. Move the playhead forward by the frames and adjust the mask line, so it follows the object and starts revealing our clip beneath. Then continue this process until the object has fully disappeared. It doesn't need to be perfect, but it needs to feel natural. Watch this. It feels like one continuous shot, not a cut. At this point, I'll add some music and drop in a soft whoosh sound effect right on the transition. It adds that extra polish. We just dropped the full pack of sound effects and editing assets if you want your edits to feel tighter without spending hours on it. It's linked below. This is where most edits fall apart. It's not the keyframes, it's how they move. Most people use keyframes, but they leave them linear. And that's why everything feels flat. Add any clip or elements to your timeline and create a simple zoom in. Set one keyframe at a smaller scale at the start, then another at 100% about a second later. If you play that back, it works, but it looks basic and boring. So let's add some extra touch to make it smoother and better looking. Right-click on the clip and go to Show Variable Speed Animations. This is the part most people skip, and that's exactly why their edits look average. Now you can see the graph. Time runs left to right, and the value, which is your scale, goes up and down. Let's create a smooth curve to improve the motion so it feels more natural. Click on the second keyframe and switch it to free curve. Grab the handle, that small dot, and pull it slightly up and to the left. Then go to the first keyframe and move it slightly to the right. This creates that smooth ease out. Already looks better, but we can push it further. At the third keyframe, bring it slightly down on the y-axis and shape it into a soft curve. Now, when you play it back, it feels smooth and controlled like a natural zoom. Once you understand this, everything you animate just looks better instantly. This is one of the fastest ways to make your edits look better. This last one is one of the cleanest transitions you can use, and it works in almost any video. Add your 2 clips to the timeline. First thing, make sure your clips are stabilized. If they're shaky, fix that first. The idea is simple. You speed up the end of the first clip and you speed up the beginning of the second clip. Start with your first clip, go to speed, then curve and choose flash out. Delete the middle point so you're working with a clean curve. Then increase the speed towards the end. Play it back and adjust the points so it feels short and tight. Make sure both points move together, otherwise it starts looking weird and too fast. We definitely don't want that. Now go to your second clip. Again, speed, curve and choose flash in this time. Delete the middle point and increase the speed at the beginning. Bring the points closer so the transition feels neat. At this point, it already works, but we are not stopping there. Let's make it even smoother. Find where the speed ramp starts and press M to drop a marker. Then do the same where it ends. Select both clips, right-click and create a compound clip. Press B for the blade tool and cut between just before and after those markers, so you isolate just that ramp section. Switch back to the select tool with A on your keyboard, then apply motion blur only to that part you just cut out. I usually keep it around 70-ish and slightly increase the speed if needed. I leave it at once for now. Now watch this.
Dance with me.
If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials every week. Now go create something awesome and I'll see you in the next one.